You want the American dream? The house? The car? The financial freedom? Then listen up. Most people are chasing it all wrong, making the same 6 costly mistakes. And I'm warning you now, the last one, it's the silent wealth killer, the one that keeps you stuck in the rat race no matter how hard you run. You're last on your own payroll. Your paycheck hits your bank account, and before you can blink, it's gone. Student loans, that crazy high rent, your car payment. It's like your money is on a one-way trip to everyone else's pocket. This is the financial script that keeps the middle class stuck. The fix? Flip the script. Be your own CEO. The first bill you pay every month is to yourself. Automate it. 10 to 20% straight into a Fidelity or Vanguard account. Before Uncle Sam, before your landlord. That's not saving. That's building your personal army of dollar bills. Worshipping the almighty savings account. You think your 0.01% APY at a big bank like Chase or Bank of America is keeping you safe? Think again. With inflation running hotter than a Phoenix summer, your cash is melting. That $100,000 safety net will be worth $90,000 in buying power faster than you think. The fix? Get your money in the game. The S&P 500 isn't just an index. It's the engine of American prosperity. Open a Robinhood or Charles Schwab account and buy a low-cost ETF like VOO. Let compound interest, the same force that built Warren Buffett's fortune, start working for you. Keeping up with the Kardashians and the Joneses. Your friend from college just bought a new Tesla. Your neighbor's back from a luxury vacation in the Hamptons, and suddenly your financially responsible life feels small. This comparison game is a poison to your net worth. The fix? Mute the noise. Your financial plan is not their financial plan. Stop trying to buy a look of wealth on a middle-class budget. Focus on your balance sheet, not your Instagram feed. Real wealth is what you don't see. Financial blindness. You don't know where your money goes. That $5 daily Starbucks run, the $15 monthly subscriptions you forgot about, the little Amazon purchases. That's not just loose change. That's your future Ford F-150 lightning down payment, vanishing one click at a time. The fix? Track every single dollar for 1 month. Use an app like Rocket Money. You will have a financial heart attack, and that's good. Awareness is the first step to control. You can't manage what you don't measure. Believing in the lottery mindset. You think Musk, Bezos, and Zuckerberg just won the life lottery? They built systems, took colossal risks, failed, and iterated. The American dream isn't about getting lucky. It's about creating your own luck through relentless execution and a solid strategy. The fix? Build your own system. Focus on what you can control, your skills, your spending, your investments. Stop waiting for a miracle and start building a machine. And now, mistake number 6, the mother of all mistakes, the one that makes all the others irrelevant if you ignore it. People spend their lives investing in everything except the one asset that guarantees returns. You are not investing in yourself. Think about it. Who pays you? It's not your boss. It's the American economy based on the value you provide. Your income is a direct reflection of your market value. You will never earn a Silicon Valley salary with skills you learned a decade ago. That course on AI prompting, that's an investment. That certification in digital marketing, that's an investment. Hiring a personal trainer to get your energy back, that's an investment. Reading a book on real estate investing instead of scrolling through TikTok, that is a direct investment in your financial IQ. Your income is capped by your personal development. You can't out-earn your own self-image. The most important stock you will ever buy is stock in yourself. This is the ultimate American tradition. From Ben Franklin to Oprah Winfrey, betting on yourself is the highest return investment you will ever make. So there you have it. Stop these 6 mistakes. Start today. Open that brokerage account. Cancel that subscription. And for God's sake, invest in yourself, because your American dream depends on it. Now, go build the life you deserve.